Alright, welcome back. And in this project we're simply going to get acquainted with PyCharm, our IDE, in creating the Age app that we created in the last section really quickly. The first thing to do is create a new Python file that will hold our code. So simply right click on your source folder, go to new Python file. And I'm simply going to call it app. You can call it whatever you want really. And notice how PyCharm already appends the author at the top, and that's great. Okay, so our app got some input from the user. Notice how PyCharm also tells you what you should be writing inside the brackets. In this case, it's a prompt variable. That is what you are giving the input function. So you're giving the input function a prompt, which is what you're going to ask the user. Enter your age, and we have to put this into a variable. And then we are going to calculate the seconds, rather age seconds. It's going to be int user age times 365 times 24 times 60 times 60. And now we're going to print out to the user what their age in seconds is. So print your age in seconds is format age seconds. Notice that with autocomplete, things suddenly become a lot easier and a lot faster. Okay, so now we can right click on app.py and go to run. And here at the bottom we get a command prompt which asks us for our age and then gives us back the answer. Fantastic. Of course, we could put this in a method, so def age program, for example, and then simply tab those in, and notice how that get colored in as orange. And then at the bottom, all we have to do is call the age program, and then when we run this, we'll get the exact same thing happen. Essentially, this is not running initially until we call this line there, until we execute that line there. Do notice, however, that if we put this at the top, then it's an error because it has not been defined yet when we are up here. So it has to come after, or else it doesn't know where to look. Okay, so this is how we would create the age program here in PyCharm, and now it's becoming substantially easier to run the program. We simply have to press play at the top right of the screen, or command right click and press run, or press run down here at the left. So it's becoming easier, and no doubt in a couple of videos time I'll also show you how to run this without the use of the integrated development environment. But this is how you would do it, and now we're just going to be creating another project for our what price is this chair app that we're going to be creating in this section. So I'll see you in the next video.